Hello my lovelies, Melissa from Metro Cosmetics. Are you looking for total rejuvenation for the entire lip area that works? Well, stop the search. Double Fix for Lips by Strivectin is here. Long awaited, a dual formulation. High-tech, Phosphix, 2-in-1, mouth area and lip. Will reduce the length and structure of all fine lines around the mouth area, will address all areas of the lip itself, plumping, nourishing and enhancing lip color. Thanks to the peptides Anaya 114, this will actively go to remove all wrinkles around the mouth. When using the lip treatment, the hyaluronic acid, bakuri butter and passion fruit will plump, nourish and enhance your lip color. You will notice with your Double Fix item there are two sides. The silver side is the side for the on-lip treatment. You will apply on the lip a minimum of twice a day, but as often as you like, and I love to use it under lip color. It keeps it on as a lip primer and ensures that pigment doesn't alter the squamous epithelium of your lip. The white one is for the medical treatment around the mouth. Paint it on with a brush, pat it in until absorbed, a minimum of twice a day. So double fix your way to the perfect pout this season with Metro Cosmetics and Strivectin. As you know, when you know better, you do better. I'll see you soon.